Hello, friends. There is one question in front of us in relation to the topic past adjustments. XYZ, they were the partners. They after the preparation of account, it was noticed that they have distributed a profit of rupees 60,000, 66,000 equally, whereas actual profit sharing ratio was 5:3:2. Now, the profit which have already been distributed equally among themselves was done wrong. How now the wrong things are to be taken in this particular case? First of all, you have to keep in your mind that capital accounts, when we say the capital accounts that hold a credit balance, right? So for the credit balance, that means the brought down balances in the capital accounts would be on the credit side of your capital account. So whatever is added is needed to be credited here, whatever is to be deducted need to be on the debit side of the account, right? So what question is saying? Question is saying that there was a profit of rupees 66,000 which was divided among x and y, x, y and z in the wrong manner equally. So what was done wrong? There was a profit of rupees 66,000. Equal distribution means 22,000. This was wrong, so now this need to be deducted. On which side we are taking? On the debit side of the account. Whereas the same profit of rupees 66,000 was to be distributed in the ratio 5:3:2. That means 5 divided by 10, 3 divided by 10 and 2 divided by 10. So how much profit should go on the credit side of the accounts of x, y and z? On the credit of the x account, there should go half of the profit, that is 33,000. Then 3 by 10, it is 19800. Then 13,200 for 2 by 10 share. Now you got that this profit needs to be credited. So for our adjustment table, correct profit to be credited is 33,000, 19,800 and 13,200. Which profit is to be distributed equally is now need to be debited. So the debit for 22,000. So the total remains over here 66,000. For adjustment table, we took x, y and z. What needs to be debited, what needs to be credited? The difference of the both is 11,000. Here the difference is 2200. Here the difference is 8800. Okay. Now here the credit value was higher, so we put a credit here. Here the debit value was higher, so we put a debit here. Here again the debit value was higher, so we put a debit here, right? So now what is the journal over here? Y is capital account debit, Z is capital account debit to X capital account. That is our rectifying entry which we are supposed to pass at the end of the question. Thank you, Accountitude. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep scoring.